A Chinese research team has found angiosperms fossils from the Middle Jurassic in northwest China. The study, published in the journal Life, was a result of researchers from the School of Earth Sciences of Lanzhou University, Nanjing Institute of Geology and Paleontology, Ningxia Geological Museum, and the Department of Geology of Northwest University.
我们的这些研究是在多方合作下，利用显微 CT 技术，对采自我国西北地区的一种被子植物化石进行了研究。该研究表明，在侏罗纪时期，也就是距今约 1.7 亿年前，被子植物在我国西北地区就已经比较繁盛了。该研究对我们了解被子植物的起源和演化具有重要意义。
The fossils were from northwest China's Qinghai and Gansu provinces and Ningxia Hui Autonomous Region.